Welcome back to another episode of Plano Property Checkup. We're here again with Ben from Neighborhood Services. What are we going to be looking at today, Ben?
We're just going to look at some outdoor plumbing stuff, things that you need to be aware of on the outside of your house, a little bit on the inside, maybe in your garage, that you can just do a checkup on to make sure that everything in your house is going great.
Great. All right, let's get started.
So one of the things you want to go out and check is your hose bibs. Undo that hose, make sure that there's no leaks going on. It's just really good to check. A lot of times these hoses being hooked up can hide like a small drip. And you just want to check that and make sure that nothing's leaking. A lot of times just putting eyes on things will save you a lot of money in the long run. This cap right here has a hole in it. So that needs to be repaired, like replaced with a new cap, so that way things can't fall down in there and cause clogs that you absolutely don't want.
Okay, what are we looking at over here?
So again, it's not really plumbing, but another good thing to check this time of year, late summer, we're not having a lot of rain. So it's good to get up there and clear out your gutter system. The other thing you want to check here is this downspout. So this is where the water from the gutter goes down and disperses. We just want to make sure that that's getting away from the foundation. You don't want it to pull the water from that roof drainage to pool up near your foundation and cause you foundation issues. You just want to check these extenders and get some of this debris out so that the water comes out easily.
Where are we at now?
All right, so one thing that you can do during the summer is drain your water heater. Over time, these will develop sediment in them, makes it not work as well, and eventually makes it where you have to get a new water heater. This is where if you have any leaks, hopefully the water will collect. Just if you come out here, just put your hand in there. Another thing you want to be on the lookout for, somewhere find your drain pipe for your temperature and pressure relief valve on the water heater that makes sure that in case something goes wrong with the water heater, pressure and temperature doesn't build up. So that's kind of a warning light for your water heater to say, hey, look, so if you see water coming out of that, you know something's wrong with your water heater.
All right, Ben, when does it get to the point where you need to call a plumber?
If you hit a repair, depending on your skill level with plumbing and you just feel like it's too complex, reach out to a professional and they'll get you helped out. It's better to spend a little bit of money and get someone that knows what they're doing than you possibly mess something up and get it into a $1,000 problem that was a $250 problem.
Great advice there, Ben. Thanks so much.